Morning students. Today now we are discussing about human health and disease. The last class பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா limboid organ பார்த்தோம். And types of limboid organ. Today now we are discussing about primary limboid organ. Limboid organ can divided into two types. One is primary limboid organ, secondary limboid organ. One primary limboid organ, இன்னொன்னு secondary limboid organ. Okay. இப்போ primary limboid organ, what are the primary limboid organ? What are the example for primary limboid organ? The primary limboid organ in mammals containing two. One is bone marrow, another one is called thymus. The birds containing Persa babesiosus, secondary limboid organ, spleen, malt, lymph node. Understand? Today now we are discussing about primary limboid organ. What is uses of primary limboid organ? Primary limboid organ. Okay, இப்போ இந்த பிரைமரி லிம்பாய்டோட மெயின் யூஸ் என்ன சார் அப்படின்னா ப்ரொடக்ஷன் ஆஃப் லிம்போசைட்ஸ். முதல் பாயிண்ட் ப்ரொடக்ஷன் ஆஃப் லிம்போசைட்ஸ். There are trillion of lymphocytes present in our body. They are divided into two types, one B cell, another one is called T cell. Okay, then second function, early selection of lymphocytes. Early selection of lymphocytes. First, production of lymphocytes. Second, early selection of lymphocytes. Okay, then the lymph node, limboid organ, dedicated for particular antigen or specific antigenic specificity. இதோடைய வேலை எஃபெக்டிவா என்ன பண்ணும் சார்? ஸ்பெசிபிக் or antigenicity or antigenic, specific antigenic. Okay, a specificity for particular antigen அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Specificity for particular antigen. Understand? இப்போ இந்த lymphocyte only matured in primary limboid organ. They become immunocompetent cells. Okay, the lymphocytes only matured limboid organ or primary limboid organ. They become immunocompetent. நோய் தடைக்காப்பு திறனை பெறுவது எங்க சார் அப்படின்னா primary limboid organ. Against the antigen, against the foreign particles. Okay, there are two cells. One B cell, another one is called T cell. The B cell matured bone marrow. T cell matured thymus. B cell matured bone marrow, BB. அப்ப B cell and T cell produced in bone marrow or produced by bone marrow. இங்க B cell matured in bone marrow, T cell matured in thymus, TT. அப்ப T cell எங்க matured ஆகும்னா thymus. அப்ப T cell matured in thymus, B cell matured in bone marrow. இது one more question இருக்கு. Okay, the B cell matured in bone marrow, T cell matured in where? Dash. Thymus. Both cells produced by bone marrow. Okay, what are the example for primary limboid organ? First one is called Persa babesiosus. Second one is called bone marrow. Third one is called thymus. Okay, question. What are the primary limboid organ in mammals அப்படினா bone marrow thymus, that is mammals. Second இது birds. இப்ப primary limboid organ in birds is called pursa fabricius. இதுக்கு எப்படி எக்ஸாம்பிள்? பறவை பர்ஸ் வச்சிருக்கு. அப்ப primary limboid organ in birds is called pursa fabricius. Okay, present in where? The pursa fabricius present in where? That is the dorsal side of coleca. Dorsal side of coleca. What is coleca? Coleca is a common pathway for excretion and reproduction. Okay, but dorsal side means in the main pagudi, upper region. It is a beginning. Okay, inge B lymphocyte mature in or B cells mature. Pursa fabricius. It involves the immunity, humoral immunity. One more question. The B cell can involve in which immunity? In a humoral immunity or antibody mediated immunity. The T cell involved in cell mediated immunity. Understand? That's all. Pursa fabricius அப்படினா only birds. Where is located at the dorsal side of coleca. B cell mature in Pursa fabricius. Then involved the immunity is called humoral immunity. Okay. The second one is called bone marrow. Second one is called bone marrow. So what is bone marrow? Bone marrow is a limboid tissue. Bone marrow, limboid tissue. Present in enga sir அப்படினா, that is within spongy portion of bone. That is bone. That is a hard region. That is a spongy portion. Spongy portion of bone. That is on the limboid tissue. The limboid tissue present in where அப்படினா, the spongy portion of the bone. Okay, then it containing stem cell. இதுல இருக்கக்கூடிய செல்லுக்கு என்ன பேரு? Stem cell. What is stem cell? The stem cell is a undifferentiated mass of cells. வேறுபாடு அடையாத அந்த செல்லுக்கு என்ன பேர் அப்படின்னு கேட்டா அந்த செல் குழுமத்திற்கு பெயர். That is stem cell. What is stem cell? Undifferentiated mass of cells. The undifferentiated mass of cell is called stem cells. The stem cells otherwise called hematopoietic or hematopoietic. Okay, what is hematopoietic? குருதியாக்கம். The production of blood cells and B and T lymphocyte other immune cells by bone marrow is called hematopoietic or hematopoietic. The production of blood cells from bone marrow is called hematopoietic cells. Okay, these cells இங்க இருக்கக்கூடிய hematopoietic cells இதனுடைய வேலை என்ன? Cells potentially to multiply through cell division. But all the cells multiply by எப்படின்னு கேட்டா cell division. Okay, either remaining where அப்படின்னு கேட்டா stem cells or differentiated and mature in the different kind of blood cells. Mature in the different kind of blood cells. Okay, that is the WBC containing 5 types. That is neutrophil, basophil, lymphocyte, monocyte. Okay, another one is called eosinophil. Okay, differentiated cells: neutrophil, basophil, lymphocyte, monocyte, eosinophil. Okay, understand? What is bone marrow? Bone marrow is a limboid tissue present in where அப்படினா spongy portion of the bone. But in this portion presence of stem cell, that is a hematopoietic stem cell. So the hematopoietic stem cell, that is multiplying by cell division, and either remaining act as stem cell or remaining as stem cell are differentiated into mature different kind of blood cells are மாறும். Understand? பட் இதுதான் என்னன்னு கேட்டா bone marrow. அப்ப primarily bioorganic birds bone marrow. thymus வந்து next வீடியோல பார்க்கலாம். Okay, thank you.